Well, some of our bridges, overpasses, and even roads froze up faster than someone going in for their first kiss last night. We're probably going to be doing it again tonight with possibility of freezing fog. Let's talk about it in today's Texas Weather Roundup. All right, good morning. It is Friday, the 3rd of February, 2023. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Baldy in Chief David Reimer, and unfortunately, we have seen a significant degradation in road conditions overnight across the DFW Metroplex. Bridges, overpasses mainly, but even some surface roads. And then, same thing goes big country, northwest Texas, even down to Waco this morning, where temperatures are below freezing, and we had some instances of freezing fog. Let's take a look at what we expect in terms of the satellite radar conditions today. We are not expecting any additional precipitation today, or technically tonight. Technically. We will see mostly clear skies this morning once any fog, low-level clouds burn off. We're going to see an uptick in clouds this evening, and then the whole state's probably going to have the chance for at least patchy fog tonight. And where surface temperatures fall below freezing, we're going to see freezing fog, which will result in more icy patches on bridges, overpasses, exposed objects. So we may be doing this whole icy routine again tonight. In terms of today's high temperature forecast, we're all going to make it well above freezing this afternoon. Any sort of freezy fog, road icy issues, I think will probably be done by 10 a.m., if not a little sooner. But for the morning commute right now through 9, 10 a.m., it's slicker than snot across the Metroplex, down to parts of Waco, anywhere where we had ice that was still around last night that refroze. So good news is it's going to be warmer today. Bad news tonight, we're going to see freezing fog probably across the Concho Valley, the Hill Country, Central Texas, all the way north into North Texas, the Big Country, Northwest Texas, Northeast Texas, East Texas. If you're below freezing tonight and you have patchy fog, it's going to cause ice on exposed objects, bridges, overpasses, even some surface roads. We're just going to have to wait and see how widespread the fog gets, but things may be getting slick again tonight. Fog across South Texas, Southeast Texas, the coastal plains tonight, except temperatures will be above freezing, so just fog. I know. It'd be nice if we were done with this now. I wholeheartedly agree. I'm tired of it. But the good news is, as we head into Saturday, hey, look at that. We're going to see high temperatures, upper 50s to lower 70s across the state. Warming up pretty well. Not going to be the worst day. Definitely going to have more clouds out there than today. But hey, you know what? It's warm. We're going to start getting some southerly winds to bring warmer air back into the region. Here's Sunday. Woo! Yeah, look at that. We got 70s everywhere except Northeast Texas, where some colder air is still trying to hold things in the 60s. But hey, you know what? That makes me happy. That makes me very happy. And guess what? Here's how about Monday? Don't slap me silly and hope it isn't a ice-filled glove. It's going to be in the 70s and 80s. But you see those temperatures starting to cool off in Colorado, New Mexico, Northwest Texas Panhandle. Oh, you know what that means? It's February. You don't think we're done with winter, do you? Even though this is technically a much warmer weather pattern next week than we're dealing with this past week. We will be dealing with our next upper level storm system beginning Monday night, and that's going to bring precipitation chances maybe as soon as Monday night, but Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe as late as Thursday. Could be dealing with the chance for some heavy rains, some stronger storms, since this will be a warmer system, especially across the eastern third of Texas. And unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, at least it hopefully won't be ice, but the potential for some winter mischief in the Texas Panhandle, West Texas, maybe Northwest Texas. We'll have to wait and see. But alas, yes. So outside of this morning's fog, tonight's patchy freezing fog and fog, we're going to stay dry through at least Monday across the state with a significant warm-up. It's going to feel like April by Sunday and Monday across the state, which I'm perfectly okay with, at least for now. But I'll probably change my mind about that once we're actually in April and the mosquitoes are trying to attack my bald head. So, that being said, keep an eye on the sky with Texas Storm Chasers Interactive Weather Radar in our free mobile app and on the Texas Storm Chasers website. And meteorologist Jason Cooley will have tomorrow's Texas Weather Roundup Weekend Edition. I'll be talking to y'all again at latest Monday morning with our next regularly scheduled weekly Texas Weather Roundup. But if need be, we'll be back sooner than that, and probably somehow I imagine we will be, just because I've had to do that the last 2 weekends in a row, and who doesn't like having a day off? So, not me, obviously. Y'all have a great Friday. Please stay safe and take it slow. If on roads this morning, bridges and overpasses in some metros are icy, same thing tonight, but then a pretty good weekend ahead. Have a good Friday. God bless. Bye-bye.